guys, welcome to my channel again and Merry Christmas for y'all. For Christmas we are gonna make gingerbread houses. We have the Iron Man and we have a frozen one.
Because we're cool kids.
We're gonna do it blindfolded to make it more interesting, you know?
Oh, look at this
we have our
cookie.
little cookies. I have Ola. What are those?
Just eat one.
No.
Sugar balls.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's the rule.
Thanks.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, this is gonna be horrible.
Yeah, it's gonna be horrible.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Look at this. Yours actually looks normal. Look at this.
It does? Okay. That was a fail, but we might as well just finish it unblindfolded.
I can't, mine broke.
It broke?
There's ingredients?
Well, yeah, what do you think the cookies are made of?
No, there's ingredients.
What do you mean?
Like ingredients, how to put together.
That's called instructions.
Okay, so the ones from Sobe suck because they don't fucking stick to the cookie, they just stick to your freaking hand, so... No! My belly is falling apart!
Did you say Billy?
My belly.
Okay, you said no! Billy!
This is Rachel, everyone.
Look at it.
That's great.
Beautiful.
Are you feeling the vibe? Do it.
Oh my god.
Oh!
No! Thank you guys so much for watching. Hi, Callie. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the end. Alright, yeah, it's almost the end of the year. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you are doing for Christmas and New Year's Eve or New Year. Leave a like if you
Comment
love
your
this
thoughts on this work of
video.
art. Anything to say?
I don't know why I'm eating this. I hate gingerbread.
Very inspiring.
Very happy.
hate when
Thank you all so much for watching
I
and I'll see you. Is there? Subscribe to her channel, like check it out. She makes horse videos. Subscribe, leave a like if you did share the video, leave a comment on what you thought. Okay, it was a perfect outro.
Goodbye.
That was a horrible outro. I swear, that was a horrible outro. Peace out, guys.